Obie Okapi.
Okapi reads O, O, O. Okapi reads O, O, O. Okapi reads O, O, O.
Obie Okapi worked with his dad to build a bunk bed and make Obie glad.
Obie Okapi and Owen played in the jungle yard. They played in a sandbox. Obie Okapi put sand in a yellow dump truck. Owen carried the sand with his shiny locomotive train. Owen and Obie Okapi called Papa Okapi. Please come in. Obie Okapi and Owen hurried into their home. We have a special fun family secret, whispered Papa Okapi. A new baby Okapi will soon come to live in our home. Obie Okapi was happy about the family secret until Obie Okapi found out something else. The baby Okapi would sleep in his little bed. Then where would Obie Okapi sleep? The next day, the Okapi family was very busy. Obie Okapi had no time to think about the new baby or the little bed. Get your life jackets, said Papa Okapi after lunch. It's time for us to take the family rowboat for a float. Obie Okapi and Owen squealed with delight as they put on their orange life jackets. Obie Okapi and Owen followed Papa Okapi and Mama Okapi to the family rowboat. Splish! Splash! Soon, the Okapi family was floating in the rowboat. Let's sing the new rowboat song, giggled Obie Okapi. It's fun! Why don't you sing it first? Asked Mama Okapi with a twinkle in her eye. Then we will all sing along. As Papa Okapi rowed the boat slowly, Obie Okapi began to sing. Row, row, row your boat, aren't you thankful for roses, ropes, and roller skates and boats that row to shore? As the rowboat floated along, Obie Okapi sang again. This time, everyone sang along. I am thankful to God for something special, Papa Okapi said as he winked at Obie Okapi. I am thankful that God is sending us another little Okapi. Let's think of names for the new baby, suggested Mama Okapi. Well, paused Papa Okapi as the rowboat splished and splashed along. If it's a boy, I'd like to name him Olaf or Otis. I hope it's a girl, cried Owen. I'd call her Opal. Obie Okapi sat quietly. Obie Okapi was still thinking. Obie Okapi was not sure about the new baby coming. Obie Okapi wondered about his little bed. Obie Okapi wondered where he would sleep. Mama Okapi noticed Obie Okapi was very quiet. Obie Okapi, said Mama Okapi, what would you like to name the new little brother or sister? Obie Okapi spoke slowly. I would like a sister, Obie Okapi said softly. I would call her Ona. But I'm not sure if I really want her to stay very long. She would sleep in my little bed, but then where would I sleep? My little bed is just right for me. Papa Okapi stopped rowing the rowboat. Papa Okapi put his arms around Obie Okapi. I know you like your little bed, said Papa Okapi as the water splashed around the boat. But you are getting bigger. I have a surprise for both you and Owen. You are big enough for my big surprise. Really? Asked Obie Okapi. A surprise? Papa Okapi began to row the boat once more. Yes, you are going to have a very special surprise, said Papa Okapi as the rowboat floated back down the coast. Suddenly, the rowboat began to roll up and down. Swish, swish, splish, splash. Obie Okapi and Owen held on tightly. Obie Okapi looked up at the sky. Big, dark storm clouds were blowing around. The wind was blowing hard. Obie Okapi looked at the water. Papa Okapi! Exclaimed Obie Okapi. It looks like we are out of the big ocean. Yes, Obie Okapi, answered Papa Okapi. We must row to shore. We must get back fast, or we will get caught in a rainstorm. Oh no! Exclaimed Obie Okapi. Will we make it home before we get soaked?